Some of you guys don't understand what Facebook content monetization is all about, and that is the reason why most of you guys are still signing up for in-stream ad. And when I check my dashboard on my platform iboostsocialmedia.com, I still see people buying 60,000 watch minutes in order to reach criteria and be monetized. And this is the reason why I'm making this video, because I want to explain to you guys, most especially the beginners, how Facebook monetization currently works. And because of that, I'm going to be focusing more on only content monetization in this video. So the first thing I'm going to be discussing is how does content monetization work. With content monetization, Facebook had to merge in-stream ad, ads on reel, performance bonus, all of them all together. Which actually means that with content monetization, you are able to earn with longer video, shorter video, text posts, and photos. All right. So with content monetization, all these things has become one. So when you look at the screen, you will see how this thing is showing, right? From 2025, you won't be able to see in-stream ads on reel on your monetization dashboard anymore. So this is exactly how it's going to be showing from 2025, right? So the reason why you are still seeing in-stream ads on reel and all those things on your dashboard is because some people's in-stream ad and ads on reel are monetized, but they are yet to be invited to content monetization. So Facebook cannot just remove in-stream ad like that, because these people are already monetized. So they have to wait for them to be invited. So that's the reason why Facebook is asking everybody that if you are interested in this new program, that you should notify them. When you notify them, they are going to definitely invite you after going through your page. So if Facebook did not invite you from now till 2025 and you are monetized, and when they remove all these in-stream ads on reel and everything, it might affect you, because by then you won't be able to earn as your content monetization is monetized. All right, so a lot of people are asking, how do we join this program? So there is no other way to join this program rather than telling Facebook that you are interested. So I'm going to be dropping a link in the description, and all you need to do is for you to click on the link and go through it and tell Facebook that you are interested in this program. Then put your profile or your page link, and Facebook is going to review your page, and if you are eligible, they are going to invite you. All right, so it's strictly by invitation right now, from now till 2025, when they will now bring out the criteria that we need to reach before we get invited. All right, so the next thing I will need to actually explain to you guys is how do you earn in this particular program. Before, earlier when in-stream ads started, we earn by view, right? But right now it's no longer by view, it's now strictly by performance. What it means is that you can actually have 1 million views in 2 videos, and this particular video might give you $100 and the other one might give you $5. So the earnings doesn't count anymore based on views. It's now strictly by performance. So all you need to do is to make sure that your audience are actually reacting and engaging on your post. The more likes and comments and shares that you get is likely the more money you are going to be making. So it's now strictly by performance. It's no longer by views. This is how you earn in this particular program. So it's important for you to start engaging with your audience, because when you keep on engaging with your audience, it gives you more upper hand for them to also engage in your post, right? Let me say, for instance, somebody drop a comment, right, and you respond to the comment, right? It will help algorithm to push your video, and this will enable other people to also like and comment. People actually like creators that actually engage and reply their audience, and this will give other people room to also comment, because they will be expecting you to engage with their own comment as well. So basically, guys, this is the summary and everything you need to know about content monetization. So if you really want to be invited, all you need to do is to tell Facebook that you are interested, and it's not only that, you also need to start posting more of original content and post consistently, and also you need engagement. You need people to be engaging on your videos, and I've already explained how to get those engagement. The best way to get them is by engaging with your audience, because when you are engaging with them, they will engage on your post, and Facebook is definitely going to invite you. So for the people that are still signing up in-stream ad, and for the people that are still buying 60,000 watch minutes and followers in order to reach the in-stream ad criteria, you guys should stop, because Facebook monetization have changed. It's no longer that way anymore. So we are moving forward. Stop moving backward. All right. So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you all for always watching my video. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Admin, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button, so that anytime I post amazing video like this this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.